Hello, everybody. Welcome to the November into December issue of our newsletter. Thank you for everybody who subscribed. We got a lot of people that did it over the summertime. Thanks so much for putting your name in and saying, hey, I want to check out some fun stuff that's going on at Al Johnson's that we can inform you about. I am going to do I know we had last week's video with Door County Girl. We had the walkthrough with Annika explaining like all the cool stuff in the boutique. And then this next weekend, I'll give you a little hint. It will be Zoe and Skull and doing their walkthrough and talking about some Christmas items that are there. Though I recommend you got to come up here during the winter, come into Al Johnson's, get the slower time of year. You can relax, walk around. You have the snow, the building, just the Al's building lends itself to winter so nicely because it's so cozy and just has that really warm feeling. So you got to come check that out. I'm going to talk about some cool stuff here. So what we have, pretty much everything that we have food that you see here, we have online as well. So this is probably one of our most popular Christmas items, is just all the different food items, because I think people want to have those cookies that they had, and they make wonderful gifts, the tins. They also want to like lingonberries and our syrups, pancake mix. People haven't seen our new packaging. This is our new stand-up pouch. I don't think we've actually even talked about that, but that's pretty cool. Coffee, we've got our Al's coffee, which is unbelievable, and then we also have the Arvid Nordquist, the Melon and Festivita coffees that are really like Swedish style, that really fine powdery coffee that just makes a rich cup of coffee, but it's not acidic, it's really smooth. So just a lot of cool stuff here. And then we'll take a walk over here and talk about a lot of our Christmas items. Of course, we've got every kind of spinner possible, known to man. My favorite thing, I grew up with this, is the angel chime. Let's see if we can get it going here. So as the candles light up, they ding the bell, and it spins around really fast, and it's just a wonderful like memory item for me, and I know a lot of people have that. We also have the replacement candles for that. So I know sometimes these candles are actually sort of hard to find. We have them in white and in red. So both those are online. Just some beautiful items. Tompkins, we probably have, I was looking at how many they have in the boutique. I think I have more of a variety than they do, of just like sort of like the really cool kitschy kind of Tompkins and different kinds and all that everybody loves, and that we've seen popping up everywhere lately. So, but it's cool that people really love them. It's one of the things I grew up with that I think is just really neat and unique to Al Johnson's. One of my favorite things, and I know we just got a bunch of these in because they came in late, but the nativity with the candle holders, I think it's a really great sort of light up. If something simple you could put on your mantle over your fireplace and light up, for Christmas time. Tompkins candles, I've got a few smattering of those, and then we sort of move into like a lot of popular items that people love. The Eva Malhush mugs, the tiles. We've got like fun glug mugs. Just stuff that's really great gifty item. You can see we've got the big gnome mug, one of the most popular items for like the last two Christmases. I mean, this thing's huge. It'd be a monster cup of glug or soup if you wanted to do it. I'm going with glug. And then just different trays and bowls and stuff like that. We've got the little mini gnome mug, which we got a lot of, and I think both of those are on sale right now online. So, not to mention that it's 25% off, but these are deeper discounted online on our sale part. And you can just sort of check out, we don't have as many boutique-y, so these are like the really classic ones they come out with new ones every year in Sweden, and they're handmade. I mean, the attention is to detail's amazing. I mean, even the little bristle hair, the little knit hats and sweaters. We got a snowboarder, so they have like sort of they have like traditional ones, and then they have sort of just fun, whimsical, like modern ones. And then probably one of our most popular items that we sell, dishcloths. I mean, everybody loves Swedish dishcloths. I mean, one sponge equals 40 paper towel rolls. That's like unbelievable. So you get bang for your buck just with one of these little dish towels that costs only $6.95. I like them. They're easy to wash. I use them for dishes. I actually love wiping down my countertops every night. We go clean at my house. So every night we wash down, and they've got some great Christmas ones. Probably our most popular one for the last 2 years, the Lucia cat. Super cute, super fun. Just great Christmas stuff. You can go online and check it all out. Everything online, with some exceptions, are 25% off. So come check us out. And then also too, for anybody who's local around or in the local area, starting on December 1st, we're going to have our sale here in the boutique. It will be 25% off almost all the items in the store, so you'll be able to come in. If you see something here and you're going to be up for our Yule board or just coming up for the Christmas marketplace that's at the Historical Society, which everybody should come and check out because it was awesome last year. We had such a fun time with my family. And then other things that people do not realize, maybe we'll do a video about just driving around at night and checking out Sister Bay's lights, because they do a wonderful job in Sister Bay as far as all the different lights. I mean, they have elves playing volleyball, like lit up, just cute things, and also just sort of the classic Norman Rockwell-esque kind of downtown area. So come check it out. This weekend's going to be huge. We're going into Thanksgiving, and then we'll start for Christmas in December. So, and then also don't forget, if you're up here also, Breakfast with Santa will be on Sunday the 4th. So it's a fun thing to do. Santa Claus comes here. He brings a little bag of candy for the kids. It's free. Just come in. You can take your picture with Santa real easily right here. Also, you can. It's a great time to come and have breakfast. You'll see me with my kids. We'll be having breakfast. It'll be fun. It's an awesome time. We just enjoy it. It's great to come up to Door County in the winter. It's just fun. Hopefully we'll have some snow and you can do some snow skiing. But if you don't, you can always hike, and that's no problem. And it's great seeing. Like you'll go on trails that you go on during the summertime, you do them in the wintertime, it will be a whole different trail. You'll see things you don't normally see, and views, because there's no leaves, you'll see amazing views that you probably don't normally see as well. So come on up, see us, or visit me online, and feel free, if you see something in the boutique, you can always call us if you don't find it online. So you just call the boutique and they can find the item for you and pull it, and we'll ship it out to you. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful holiday season, and we'll see you probably the end of December, going into the big cherry drop in Sister Bay for New Year's Eve. So, hej då and god jul!